James Mathers for the Digital Cinema Society at NAB 2022. I'm here with Alan Lennox at the ARRI booth, and he's going to tell us about the Trinity System.
Okay, well, the Trinity System has been out about 3 years now in its completed phase here in the States. It's basically the Steadicam or Steadicam-like device called our Artemis. We call it our Artemis, which is a mechanical stabilizer combined with an electronic stabilization system, which is a gimbal on top. So it allows us to do a great range of motion from up high, or high mode as we call it, all the way down to below our knees in low mode. Also a number of things in between. It's quite revolutionary in that it's mass produced and successful. It's the first integration of mechanical and electronic stabilization for the market. We have just announced recently there'll be a Trinity 2. You'll have to come see that later on in the year at Cinegear, but we have a Trinity 2 system as well. But in the CSS grouping of products, we also have our remote head, which is controlled, and in this current booth it's on a track up front by the Black Cam guys. But we have a remote head on top of that, our SRH 360, which is a fully stabilized 360 head, and we have wheels control for it, we have a pan bar control for it, and of course joystick control. And that's part of the system as well. The whole camera stabilization system at ARRI is a fairly new group, or a new product line, but it all works together. It's all somewhat modular, same accessories, same system, so it puts the tools back in the hands of the operator and makes it more affordable and available to the operators.
This is the same system that was used on the movie 1917?
This system was indeed one of the systems used on 1917. A great operator by the name of Charlie Ryzik operated that one, and it was fundamental for that show. And when Roger Deakins saw this, and he was the first one to use the Mini LF as well, he combined those to make that beautiful film. But it's quite common now in everything from live music, Coachella, to commercials. It's growing and growing and growing and separating itself from Steadicam and becoming its own tool.
And how about on the end here? What's that unit?
It's our pan bar for the remote head, and it's for people that can't do wheels.
That's me. Guilty.
Yes. So it's also more suitable for the broadcast market because we can set it up like a traditional broadcast head where you have focus on one side and zoom on the other. So that's our systems.
Thank you very much, Alan.
My pleasure, Jim.